Oh, the thing's up. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'm playing a little bit of a weirder game, but it's still a game. Let me go all the way back to level 1 because I'm on level 66 or 67. Execute Order 66. I'm just trying to get the goo out of my throat. This might take a while. I'll be right back. I'm playing Infinity Loops, by the way. So, it took me mere minutes to get all the way back to level 1. Tap the pieces. Okay, this is how you play. Tap the pieces to rotate and create the infinity symbol. So all you have to do is connect every single piece. Well done! The goal is to create closed shapes. Tap anywhere to proceed. Hint, it could be one closed shape or more. Get it? So it's like that. Great. You nailed it. Now you're on your own. Thank you for that very, very amazing tutorial. And something that I realized is this gives you a whole new perspective. Wait, well, like a whole new view on shapes. It's not really shapes, I guess. It's more like, turning lines into shapes. But still. And, obviously I'm kind of good at this game because, I'm on level 67, but, we're not trying to brag or anything, but I'm trying to brag. Infinity Loop hacks. The new version of Infinity Loop game is live. No, I don't care about that. I might play it sometime, but not now. Looks like a human smiling. Like me all the time. But still. I kind of have to go fast this episode. Here's there's actually two different modes, as you could probably see if you paid attention on the title screen. Oh my god. There we go. I'm sorry, folks. It's just very coffee, like that. Except less and more. That was the same sound. Anywho. So turn this way. There we go. By the way, each time you complete a new level, you can actually take a screenshot and send it to your friends, family, or wait a second, what does friends mean? I don't have any. Sorry, I had to say that. Oh my god, if I keep coughing, I'm gonna literally start thinking I have asthma. I don't, though. I know I don't. I can use that. And not in candy stones like everybody else would think. But no, actually bad candies. Like blah, 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 blah. Nobody cares. I don't know why, but nobody cares. I just realized that was literally a giant plus symbol. After I get to, like, level 15... I'm going to show you the different mode. As you can tell, my voice is kind of squeaking. So, and apparently you can also create your own levels, so woo. Pause. Hashtag longest ad ever. Well, not for you guys. For me, it was like 2 trillion seconds long. That's not actually a number, but, why would I care? Oh, yeah, because I care about things. Well, not really. I just pretend that I care about things. I actually really do. Okay, I have no idea what I'm saying. And quite frankly, you don't really have to know what I'm saying either. I'm not sure if this is going to count, but still. No, I knew, and I actually kind of thought it would have, but still. Sorry. I have to play this video back just to see what that little pop-up was. It's funny. I'm going to the dentist next week. I love the dentist. I know. Believe me. I'm not like I'm not like magic because I like the dentist. Other people like it too, you know. Heck, you can even be one of those people. But my mom hates the dentist. Next time she's on the Aaron show, a video. Next time she's on one of my videos, she can tell you that story. Also, if you want to see my mom failing, if you want to see, yeah, if you want to see my mom failing at a game, then go watch our last A video, aka the AVM that we made yesterday. So, I know I've said this so many times, but a distant sound of the toilet flushing fills you with determination. Go figure. Go figure. I know I said that, but he's cracked. I like making fun of myself for my voice because sometimes it goes like. Seriously, I should stop breathing through my mouth because I actually think that's why I'm coughing so much. Like more than usual. Well, more than usual, meaning more than an average person that actually can breathe. You ready? There we go. And that was level 15. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. So, I know that one looks cool, but sadly, we don't have time for that. This is the dark mode. You have to disconnect all the pieces, which means you failed. And you still failed. But now you won. Great, you nailed it. Now you're on your own. Oh, thanks. Seriously, I'm gonna go back just so I can see if it's actually possible to. Dude. Hey, Mom, would you be okay if next time you're on the thing, say your horrid dentist story?
Okay.
You know, the horrid dentist story that I'm talking about?
Possibly do that.
I'm trying to see if it's possible to turn every single piece outwards. I'll be back. I'm just trying to see. It's not OCD. So I actually did find a way. I didn't. If I did, I would have got on the camera. Not just skipped it. Skipperoo, Tapo 2. There's probably way more satisfying ways to do this. So. Fail. Fail for 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 fail. Oh my god, finally one that's satisfying. What the fox? Check out our new game. It's super relaxing and very challenging. No, I don't care. Please stop giving me stupid things. Not stupid cool, but stupidly cool. Stupidly cool things. That's what they should be called. That looks better. Savannah! No thanks. Oh my god! Seriously though, do I have asthma? I don't think I do. I should probably let you down. Actually, I know I don't. I'm just like pretending I do because it's funny for the gags. Literally because of the gag. Oh, thank god, a satisfying one. No, that can't be it. I get it. It's gonna be almost perfect, and then it's gonna get ruined. So let's see. That one goes like that. That one goes like that. That one goes like that. That one's already like that. That one goes like that. That one goes like that. That one goes like... Wait, no. Those go like that. Oh my god, I did it! I did it! I did it perfectly! So that's fine. Great. It's gonna be another unsatisfying one, I can already tell. Sorry, honey. Why am I calling you guys honey? Well, because you're nice, that's why. Seriously though, why am I calling you honey? That's weird for me. Because I'm a guy, but still. I've been waiting to find a game where there's a single player and a multiplayer. Just so I could say, and today I'm playing single player. And it actually works because, you know, I'm single. Come get me. I'm sorry. Oh, that was so awkward. Okay, dude. There we go! Babe. What level is this? Level 9. Wait, is this a new level? I don't remember this level before. So I'm going to play until level 15 on this one. Well, I wish that's what I could do, but sadly it's not. But still. Oh crap, those are touching, which means I have to do deals and deals and deals and deals and Okay, so let's literally, I wish I knew how to edit my videos just because I want to be able to have like a cough counter. That would be hilarious, right? Right? It will be over 9,000! I don't actually even watch anime, that's the funny part. Oh no. Oh crap. Okay, if I do this, there we go, that's better. This is better, better, that's better. Listen. Hey, yeah. So it's getting so exciting. What? Same. Can't tell. Ah, perfect. Okay. So let's see. Square it. Do you like Infinity games? Then you will love this one. No, I don't care. Seriously, I really don't care. Please stop bugging me. So, you know what? I don't give a crap. Let me just go back to the home menu. Let's go into create just to see what we have. And then, let's say, okay, so, what type of thing do you want? Okay. Oh, what's this one? I've never seen that piece before. Oh, I've never seen like half of these pieces. So, I'm gonna go try to create a level, everybody. So, if I did this correctly, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm trying to press this, but, what does it do? I don't know what to do, but okay, so home. Oh, my level. Create from menu to create your levels. Okay, create. There we go. Okay, so what do I do next? So do I go like this or something? What do I do? Somebody please tell me what to do. Do I have to... Oh, do I have to like verify it? Oh, that would make sense. Okay, BRB. So, if that's what it's gonna look like when it's done, if I did it correctly. So let's see. Nope, still doesn't work. Okay. So let's see. Home. QR levels. Okay. So I create. Hey, create. I created one. What am I supposed to do? Like press it all the way over there or something? Why won't this work? For crap's sakes. Dadgummit, never mind. I'll get back to that later. So, let's play some global levels. Ooh, nice. This looks cool. Nice. This is gonna be the only global level I play, though. Okay. I really have to find out how to verify a level, though. Cause I'm guessing it's like a weird verification thing, like Geometry Dash. I understand why you have to verify levels in Geometry Dash, but it is a pain in the butt. A pain in the geometry butt. Wow, that's satisfying. Like BRB. Okay, never mind. So wait a second. Get down. Okay. Doot. Okay, this is cool, actually. That's cool, folks. Good job. Whoever's making levels, I'm proud of you. I'm still in the midst of making my first Geometry Dash level. ATA cube. That's my or at a cube. But you can't put at. That's satisfying. So that's gonna be it for this video, everybody. Thank you for watching. Oh God, really? And BI.